mustache marketer, and in this video I'm going to record a quick review of how you can utilize this software called Review Revolution and how you can get started without doing a lot of work. So this is the login area of the Review Revolution. Let me just sign in with my login details and let's walk inside the software. So first things first, let me show you the dashboard. If you see on the left, you have all the options like video creator. Inside that you'll get five different options. First is the creator, then easy creator, local creator, YouTube creator, and all the video lists that you have created so far. Then you can, if you walk down, then you'll find the trending products option where you can find the trending products and you can look for specific products that you want to search that you can review. So there is a product finder here. Then the mask creator, where you can create multiple videos and you can find the trending hashtags. You can create thumbnail thumbnail for your YouTube video, and then further upgrades. Okay, and there is one more thing, that is the training area. So if you want to access anything that was missed and if you're not able to get started, you can always go to the training area and find all the training videos that are required to get started with Review Revolution. So guys, let's get started with the first video creation. So I'll simply go inside the video creator option. I click here, and now we know that a lot of products are trending right now. This is July 2023, and if you see recently MacBook Air 15-inch was launched by Apple. So I am going to create a review video for that. So I have already decided. If you have any other product in your mind, you can do that. So I'm just giving a title here. So this is just a demo, say test. Click on continue. Now all you have to do is find the Amazon URL, and if it's listed on eBay, you can pick it up from eBay as well. The idea is really simple. Whichever product you want to review, you simply find the URL of that product from the Amazon or eBay site and you paste it here, and then we are going to get started with the review. So right now I'll simply search MacBook Air 15-inch on Amazon, and you can see the first product is listed, the new product, and this is Apple MacBook Air 15-inch with M2 chip. So what I'll do, I'll simply copy the URL of this software, this Amazon listing, and I go back to the software. I add the URL here and I click on the get reviews option. So what the software will do, it will find all the relevant reviews and testimonials for this particular product with the pros and cons and whatever it can find on that listing, and it is going to then create the slide presentation for us. So you can see it has found 11 reviews. I click on OK, and then I click on the continue button, and now you can see it has found these reviews. So you can see we have the product review and the content. There is a description of the product and many more things. So whichever the presentation, the slide we want, whichever content we want, we simply select that. So for example, I want this one, I simply select this, and maybe I want this one as well. So this one is with the pros, so it mentions all the pros, and there is one cons. So I'll select pros, I'll select cons, and many more. See, there's a conclusion as well. So if I want, I can do that, or I can pick a real review, real testimonial from a real user. So this guy really liked it, Weber liked it, so maybe this one. Okay, so let's pick Weber's testimonial, and if you want to include more testimonials, you can do that. Let's hear it from Patricia. Okay, Patricia has some issues, so like if you want to sell, maybe pick up the higher rating of the product. So let's say Arpan Roy. Okay, so we have picked a total of 4 or 5 slides, and if you want any more slides, you can always add a new record from here, and you will get an option to add more slides in the next page. So let's say I want this one as well, it gives you the details, technical specifications. And now all I'll do, I'll scroll down and I click on the continue button, and it has already created my slides that we just selected. Yeah, okay, so you can see it has imported all the content. We can check all the slides in just one go. See, the pros slide is here, the cons slide is here, and WebHub's review is here, and our puns review is here. So what it did, it fetched all the data. It has already displayed it here. Now all you have to do is rearrange the data, items or elements on these slides as per your requirements. So for example, I want this image to be a little more bigger. It's a drag and drop editor. I can do that. I want this one somewhere, okay, let's say somewhere here. And if I want to rearrange this, I want to delete it, I can do that. Let's see, I want to add, if you see on the right, scroll towards right, you can find so many options like typography, elements, media, transition, voiceover. So you'll have so many options to explore. Right now I want a headline, so I'll simply click on add text and I'll put it somewhere here. And let's say, why you must try Apple MacBook Air with M2 chip and 15-inch. Okay, so this is like a heading for me. I want to adjust it, I can do that. I can rearrange everything as per my requirements, like I said. And okay, let's play around. Then reduce the size. Okay, a little more, and you can see my headline is here. Now if I want to change that, font and everything, I can go to typography and I select any font, and based on that my font will change. 1 second. Yeah, so let's say Oswald. I think I had to select this. Okay, and font size, if I want to change text color, if I want to change, I can do that and apply it to all, so it will change the font for the whole presentation. If I want just this, then just simply select that one. So for example, I want to change the color, I can always play around and see, and I can even change the color for this text. So it's all up to me how I want my presentation slides to go. So let's jump to another slide and maybe play around with that slide. If I want to import an image or I want to find an image, I can go here and I can find the image directly from here. Apple MacBook Air. See, and if I want any specific image, I can pick that image and I can add it here. So it's all up to me. If I don't want to go with this image, I can remove it and I can add my own image. See, I can reduce the size of the description and I can play around with everything I want. I can edit this text, I can rearrange everything. So it's all up to me, guys, how I want this whole thing to be as per my requirements. I can do that. And if I want to change the background, let's go on in another slide, and you see these are the pros. So like why you should consider MacBook Air, you can edit that text as per your requirements. You simply double click it and edit it. You can change font and everything. Now let's see, I want to change the background of it. So from white, maybe I want it little, I don't know, let's try something. Okay, see, I can go and change the background as per my requirements. Let's keep it subtle. Okay, little bluish, maybe let's just keep it white. It's all up to us. So let's say if I want this set as background, it's set, and then I come back. So you see my background has changed. If I wanted to change it on all the slides, I could have selected apply to all and would have selected that. See, the cons list is here, and I can rearrange, adjust everything. Then the users review, maybe I can add some more content here, images, or like what did WebHub said. So I go to the elements and I pick stickers like this. So what's whether WebHub's recommendation, buy or not buy, something like that. And then you can add a text over here. So guys, it's really really interesting and really amazing. And maybe on the last page, like here, I can add a subscribe button from here. See, like something like this, drag and drop, and I can rearrange the text or add more text like subscribe the channel. So with just little work for a few minutes, my whole presentation will be ready. And if I want to add the music, I come here and I select the background music. See, it's all up to me. If I want to add it, I can add it. If not, then it's all up to me. And there's one more important feature. So let's say I'm talking about product description. I can add the voiceover, and the software is going to create a voiceover. So if you want to change the content, and if you want the narration of the video, you simply write that content here, and then you go to the this voiceover option. You select this, and then you select what kind of what kind of person you require, like from which which region of the world, and like male, female. You can select those people, like on that particular voice, and apply, and it is going to create the voiceover for that text that's being provided on that presentation. So you can check the preview here, and you can apply. I have already applied it. So you see, it has so many options for you to create quick review videos without doing any hard work. You don't have to record any voiceover. You don't have to create content. It is going to fetch the content from the real testimonials. It is going to fetch the content from the real listing of the product, and it is going to make your life easy. So once you are done with playing around with the editor, even you can add intro and outros. So you simply upload those videos. Like if you have any specific introduction of your video or your channel, you can do that. And you can add more slides. Like once this is done, you can add more slides by add new slide option. So guys, there are so many options for you to get started and make your professional review videos. So the next step would be submitting our presentation, and it is going to create the video for us. And there was one more option to select the quality of the video. So I have selected 720 pixels. If you want a higher quality, you can select 1080 pixel, and your video will be rendered after some time. So just give it a few minutes, and you can check out your video here. You click on view video option. So right now it's rendering. You'll start getting this option, download option. So if you want to download the video, simply click on download. If you want to check out the video, click on view video, and you can check out your recently created review video with Review Revolution without doing a lot of work. So I hope you liked this short demo video of the product, and you can even find trending products from here, like the trending products in particular industry. So for, let's say, cell phone industry, you can see these are the products that are being trending in the cell phone industry. You can pick any product that you want to create the review for, and you want to sell through Amazon affiliate program. You can do that. See, Apple Watch and stuff. There are so many things. So if you want to change the industry, let's say pet supplies, you come here and you check out the trending product, and you can create a review for a video for that and enlist it. That's it. So this is the trending products option. Then you can even search the products directly from this search option. You don't have to go on the Amazon and search, you can directly search it here. So yeah, that's about it. Then you have more options like mask creator, where you can create multiple videos and you can check out all the videos in the video list. And you have the option to hashtags, create hashtags, and then the more important option, that is thumbnail. So you know that thumbnails are really important in YouTube. So when you go to YouTube, you might find really interesting thumbnails, and you might be wondering how you can create them. You can create inside the thumbnail editor of the software. You don't have to go to any third-party software for that. So guys, I think everything will be very smooth, very easy. You can see our video is in process, and once this is done, you can view the video and see it will appear like this, the older video that I created for a test demo. You play here and it'll start showing you the video. Okay, so guys, thank you for your time. I hope you like this video. If you still have any questions, queries, you can reach out to my support, that is support@roundhour.net, and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you.